How much should you actually spend on a folding platform truck? Some people are happy with the cheap ones, while others return the expensive models. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, VoIP VI Folding Hand Truck. First up is the VoIP VI Folding Hand Truck, priced at $39.99. This caught my attention because it has a hefty 500-pound load capacity and is super portable. If you want a compact solution for moving heavy items, this is worth a serious look. So, here's why this product solves your problem. The VoIP VI features an enhanced 6-wheel design made from tough TPE material, which means it really holds up against wear and tear. With a weight of just 6.5 pounds, it's light enough for anyone to handle, but don't let that fool you. The stability is impressive thanks to its 2 fixed front wheels and 4 swivel wheels. This means you can easily move around tight corners, whether you're in an office or on the go. With over 10,000 sold in the last month and a solid 4.3-star rating from 3,300 reviews, it's clear this cart is a popular choice. Now, some people complained about it being a bit small for larger items. Here's the thing though, if you're mostly moving boxes or luggage, the size shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's compact when folded, making it ideal for anyone with limited storage space. This is perfect for you if you're frequently traveling or need something light for moving boxes around. Skip this one if you need to haul larger furniture consistently. Overall, for the price, it's a reliable choice. Now, if the size of the VoIP VI bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, MaxWorks Folding Platform Truck. Next, we have the MaxWorks 80877, retailing for $67.99. This caught my eye due to its robust 660-pound capacity and versatility. If you need something that can handle heavier loads, this is definitely one to consider. So why does this product shine? The MaxWorks is built with a durable steel frame that provides a sturdy platform for all your hauling needs. It includes 2 4-inch swivel casters and 2 rigid wheels, which means it glides smoothly even under load. The padded handle gives you a comfortable grip, making it easier to maneuver, especially when you're moving around tight spaces. With 1,900 reviews and a 4.4-star rating, it clearly performs well for many users. However, some users mentioned it can be a bit cumbersome to handle when fully loaded. But honestly, if you're regularly transporting heavy boxes or equipment, the sturdiness and capacity make it worth any extra effort. This is perfect for you if you work in a warehouse or need a reliable dolly for transporting heavy items. Skip this one if you're looking for something lightweight and compact for occasional use. The value for money is solid here. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need something a bit lighter. Product number 3, Spacekeeper Folding Hand Truck. The third product is the Spacekeeper Folding Hand Truck, priced at $34.99. What caught my attention was its impressive 500-pound capacity, combined with a lightweight design. If you want an affordable and reliable option, this is worth checking out. Here's why this product might be your next favorite. The Spacekeeper features 6 wheels with double ball bearings, ensuring smooth movement even with heavy loads. It's designed to fold flat for easy storage, which is fantastic if you live in a smaller space. Plus, it has an extendable base plate, making it versatile for carrying larger items. It's received 9,300 reviews and maintains a 4.0-star rating, showing it's a popular choice among users. Some users mentioned that the assembly instructions could be clearer. But honestly, once you figure it out, this cart is straightforward and does its job well without much fuss. This is perfect for you if you need a dependable dolly for errands, moving, or even light commercial use. Skip this one if you want something for heavy industrial tasks. It's a great value for the price. Now, if the assembly issue with the Spacekeeper bothered you, the next option simplifies that even more. Product number 4, LEADLLWAY Foldable Push Cart. Fourth on the list is the LEADLLWAY Foldable Push Cart, available for $59.99. I found this one appealing due to its combination of weight capacity and compactness. If you need something that's easy to store yet sturdy, take a closer look. Here's what makes this cart stand out. It has a 330-pound load capacity and is incredibly easy to fold and unfold. which is great for quick jobs. With TPR's silent wheels, it ensures a quiet operation, perfect for indoor use. The handle is padded for extra comfort during long hauls, which I genuinely appreciated. Plus, it includes additional bungee cords for securing items, making it more versatile. With a 4.4-star rating from 884 reviews, it's clearly meeting the needs of users. However, a few users complained about the weight capacity being lower than expected. But honestly, for most home uses, this cart holds more than enough and offers excellent convenience. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a multi-purpose cart for home, business, or travel. Skip this one if you regularly move very heavy items. It offers excellent value for your money. Alright, that's a solid option. But if you want something truly heavy-duty, let's move on to the final product. Product number 5, Lifetime Appliance Parts Foldable Push Cart. Lastly, we have the Lifetime Appliance Parts Foldable Push Cart, priced at $117.35. This one caught my attention because it boasts an incredible 2,200-pound capacity. If you need something that can handle serious weight, this could be the one. Let's talk about why this product is impressive. It features a strong and sturdy design, built with extra reinforced plating for durability. The 6-inch rugged swivel wheels provide excellent maneuverability, even on rough terrain, which is essential for more demanding tasks. It folds down easily for compact storage, which is a huge plus for anyone with limited space. With a 4.7-star rating from 264 reviews, it clearly stands out in terms of performance. Now, some people had issues with its price point, saying it's on the higher side. Here's the thing, though. If you regularly handle heavy loads, investing in this cart can save you from back strain and make your tasks much easier. This is perfect for you if you frequently move heavy items, whether at home or in a professional setting. Skip this one if you need something lightweight for casual use. The durability and capacity make it worth the investment. To wrap it up, we've seen a range of options today, from the compact VoIP VI and Spacekeeper to the heavy-duty Lifetime appliance cart. Each has its unique strengths and is tailored for different needs. So, there you have it, the top 5 folding platform trucks. Each of these products has something special to offer, whether it's the portability of the VoIP VI or the incredible capacity of the Lifetime cart. Think about your specific needs before making a choice, and you can't go wrong.